So it's really, really hot, and we're buying plants because we've got a bird bath. So this is going to be like a gardening vlog. I don't know. It's all a mess. Helen's nearly like ran away with the bloody Asda trolley, so she's taking it back because we couldn't carry all the plants because we bought plants and things. The new barbecue because I keep using the code barbecue. So yeah, we're vlogging. I don't know where she's gone. She's gone Asda to take a basket back, but I don't know where she is. So I will carry on when she's back. Woo! Oh, it's so, oh, I'm so pink.
So I've just set the alarms off in Asda because I took a basket out with our flowers in, and apparently they've had to tag the baskets because of people nicking them.
Thieves.
Like, see, why would you nick a basket? It's 5p for a pig in bag. Buy a bag. Seriously, idiots. So I said to the guy, I'll be back, I'm just getting my plants in my car and then I'll come back. And he said that people were nicking them. He said people used to nick meat and put them in there. So they've had to tag all the baskets.
Now we're stuck in traffic.
Typical England for you.
Back home with the gardening things. I think she's singing.
Sister full of sorrow.
Hey, Scully. So we're gonna go. It's on me now. So your gardening stuff. Look at this. Gardening.
All this washing and everything look like tramps.
What? Because we wash our clothes. So we're gonna attempt to put up 3-in-1 solar powered bird bath planter with white LED light. So this should be fun.
Right, let's go. Pause.
Let's go. Can't get the chuffing, so let's It's a good start, good start.
Got a little helper out on his lead. Good evening.
Good bug rat.
Just so everyone knows, as viewers, he's a house cat and
It doesn't go out.
he doesn't go out other than in the garden on his little thing.
Watch him, watch
We're
him.
worried that he'll run away.
Watch him now.
Hi, Scully. Right.
Right. So we have some stick thing.
I'm in the sun. Hang on.
Some light. Ooh, that's big. Right, seriously, how the hell did I put this together? Okay, some all the pieces. Let's make a bird bath.
Do we need screws and shit?
No, it appears not. Hey, watch the car.
He's alright. Can't get anywhere, can he? Unless he's Harry Houdini.
We have no screws. I'm guessing that's the base.
I'll just watch.
Okay, watch the cat.
I'm watching that he's alright. I've had him out for 3 hours. You panic too much. He just eats a bit of grass, pukes up and then carries on. Loves it. Loving life. What? Feed the grass.
So this is the base.
It looks like iron. I hope it doesn't discolour like the other thing has that we got.
No, I don't think it will. Safety plug. Poly holder. He's eating grass.
He does eat grass. I've googled it and apparently it's alright. It has the same stuff in grass, that folic acid it has in it. So if you're pregnant, eat grass.
I'll tell Sam at work. Eat grass. Plant pot. You're a plant pot. We don't have a plant pot.
No, I'm teach Marsh, I tell you. Oh, what's that other one who didn't wear a bra?
That could be a
Charlie
plant pot.
Dimmock.
I wear bras. It's saying we should have a plant pot.
Kim definitely needs to wear a bra.
Thanks, babe.
There is a plant pot. It's where you put your plants.
I know.
That one. I told you we needed soil.
No, because you've got soil with your things in.
Yeah, but... I'm saying no.
Then the stick. I love how you're helping. I love how it's
I am.
like 50-50 in this relationship.
My new career, I want to get into directing.
Alright, JMO. Sounds all the JMO. So, if you be sick,
Screw it in. Screw, screw, screw. She's not very good at screwing a pole.
I'm really not.
Screw the pole. Right, I'm just going to sort your son out because he's eating dandelions. If you get grass stuck in your throat again, I'm not picking it out.
This is gonna end badly. Oh no.
Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Not very sturdy.
Well, that's what I'm thinking.
One of them blackbirds getting it, that's it. Good night, Vienna. There were no bird bath.
Oh, we should still go to Vienna. Right, come on in.
That's it. Much better screwing action.
We all know I'm not good at the pole anyway. Art reflects life. Right, now we've got another water basin.
That's
Dish.
that.
No, that's the...
Where's the feeder?
Oh, there it is.
We need the feeder first.
Tully! Go get him out of there. He's going to wait himself.
Oh, he's going in the conifer now. Get out of the conifer. Come on. Get out of the conifer. That's such a bad Scottish accent. Get out. Where does the bird feed? Oh, does the bird feeder go on top?
Watch that. Feed a trough.
Oh, that's good because if the birds drop anything, it'll go in the water and the rats won't get it.
Yes, bro. Oh, should have put the rubber seal in.
Always forgetting the rubber.
Such a disgusting Well done.
I caught it. Smashed, but I caught it.
That goes in there. Plastic screw.
Oh, that's my mum's glass.
It's not broke.
It is.
You just put that live on there. Oh no, the bloody rubber.
I'll just buy her another one, she'll never know.
Legit.
Legit, you've done it wrong.
I haven't done it wrong. I shouldn't have took that off. The rubber seal goes inside. The rubber goes
Right, I'm going to pause it because people are going to get bored.
Okay.
We'll just pause it for a bit and wait until we've actually fathomed what's going on.
What? Oh.
And here's the final thing. Ta-da! We need to put some plants in it. Also some water and feed,
Yeah.
which we're going to do shortly, but...
I think we should put it on here.
Well, that's... I do. But is it going to be too high near the washing? Oh no.
Oh, it's cute that.
Yeah, it is.
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
Day in the life of gay. Shit.